Hello student, welcome to my channel CEB. Today we will design DFA for decimal number divisible by 2. Now what is a decimal number? They are the numbers from 0 to 9. Now we have to check the divisibility by 2. For that we will divide 0 by 2, the remainder will be 0. Then 1 by 2, remainder will be 1. 2 by 2, remainder will be 0. 3 by 2, remainder will be 1. And so on till we are going to reach the number 9. After dividing all the number, we found that we are having common remainder for some number. They are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, which is called even number. Now we are having odd number also, which are 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, in which the remainder is 1. So these numbers will be called by the state name Q0 in TCS and Q1. Now what we are going to do, we are going to take some numbers. For example, we are having number 20, that is 20. Now we will divide 20 by 2. So 2 ones are 2, remainder is 0 with the next bit. So this remainder as 0 will consider as Q0. So the present bit is 0 with the next bit that we are copying here is 0. So Q0 with the current bit as 0 at the 10th place with the next bit that we are copying from 20. So, Q0, which is 0, with multiplied by the 10, and the new bit will be multiplied by the 1. So what we are getting is 0. Now consider the second bit, second number as 21. Okay, now again divide it by 2. So what we are getting? Current remainder as 0 with the next bit as 1. So the current remainder is nothing but the Q0 with the next bit as 1 is generating the number 1 with the remainder 1. So Q0 with the current bit as 0 with the next remainder as 1 is going to the Q0 state. Now Q0 as the current bit with the next bit as 1 is going to the state which is called as the Q1 state. Now what we are going to do, we are going to draw the state transition table. So here we are having Q0, which bit we have taken? We have taken 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. From where we get this input set? This input set we had decided based on the common category, that is divisibility by 2, having the remainder either 0 or remainder 1. So here we are writing all the inputs that is divided into two groups. So this is the even numbers and these are the odd numbers. So here we are going to write odd number 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Now Q0 with the current bit as 0 with the next bit as 0, that we already consider where it is going to Q0. Now Q0 with the current remainder as 0 with the next bit as 1. So Q0 with the current remainder as 0 with the next bit as 1, where it is going to Q1, so that we are going to write here. So now we will take one more example where we are having the number 30. So we will divide 30 by 2. So what we are getting? We are getting remainder as 1. Now we are going to copy the next bit. So this is the remainder 1, which is nothing but the Q1 with the next bit as 0. Where it is going? It is going to generate definitely remainder as 0 because that is divisible by, right, 2. So this is going to Q0. So that means Q1 with the next bit as 0. So Q1, which was the odd number with the next bit as the even number, is generating remainder as 0, which is indicated by Q0. Now again, suppose we are having 31 number. So we are going to divide by 2. So we are getting the remainder as 1, which is indicated by Q1 with the next bit as 1. So Q1 with the next bit as 1, what will be the remainder? The remainder will be 1. So it is going to the Q1 state. So that we will copy in our state transition table. So here that means the Q1, which was the odd number with the next bit as an even number, it is generating the even number, so that your answer will be, the remainder will be Q0. Now Q1, which is the odd number with the next bit is again odd number. For example, it is generating number 11. It is producing the remainder as 1. So it is going to the state Q1. Now, which is your final state? The state which is generate your output according to your requirements. Here we were checking for the divisibility of 2. Here Q0 is producing the remainder 0. So that will be treated as your final state. Now we will draw the state transition diagram. So we are having Q0 and Q1 are the two states in which the Q0 is the final state. So there that we have to double circle it. So Q0 on the even number that is going, it is going to itself, that is 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Now Q0 on the odd number is going to Q1 stage. So we will write here 1, 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Now odd number, that is Q1. Q1 on even number that is going, it is going to Q0 state. So 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Q1 on odd number, it is going to itself, that is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. This is how we had designed DFA for the binary number divisible by 2. Hope you people have understood the concept. If you are having any doubt, do comment it. And you can, if you like the videos, do share it and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.